In SmartSuite, there's a view that allows you to see your data as visual cards in a beautiful layout. By going to the top left of your screen and clicking on the card view, you'll see something like this, which is a beautiful meal planner. This is perfect for teams or individuals who are viewing their content in a more visual manner. And as you can see, it can include logos, images, PDFs, documents, spreadsheets, and other rich content. You can quickly switch between card sizes by going right here and changing from small to medium to large. You also are able to drag these around and sort them in any sort of way. So this is set currently to a specific field, sorting these to go from either first to last or last to first. However, you can drag these in any order once you get rid of a specific sort, and you can group these. So for example, I could group these by the category. So I have all of my main dishes, my salads, and my sides, soups, and desserts separated. Now, if, for example, I wanted a specific meal highlighted, I can go to Spotlight and I could type where recipe contains beef. Then you'll see at the top, this braised beef short rib is spotlit, and I can obviously select this as well and change it to different categories or have it highlight specific fields rather than the entire record itself. And if I want to find something specific, I can go into the Find feature, and if I type sun-dried, it will outline anything that has a specific set of words that I type in here. You can also filter these items as well by, for example, filtering to a specific category is, and then we can just do the mains. And then everything else in your data set disappears. But if you want to see them again, we can remove it just like that. And you can change the different fields that you want to display here. So first of all, the cover image can be changed from going on this cover section and changing it to a different field. As you can see, those attachments aren't there, but if we go back to picture, they'll showcase. And then all of these different fields, for example, if I want to add cost, but get rid of the number of ingredients, I can show that here as well. And then I can move these around in order to change the order that the fields are showing. Also be sure to click on these arrows right here and preview these different images and videos in your card view with gallery mode. A simple and beautiful way to preview all of the different attachments in this cover image field. There's no better view in SmartSuite than the card view for seeing beautiful images and videos. Get started using the card view today.